What's up mama, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing tips and tricks I use to stay productive as a busy mom. Hi, my name is Ida. If you're new here, welcome and I hope you enjoy this video. Once you're a mom, you start wearing multiple hats. You become the PA for any schedule and appointment they have. You become the teacher. You are in charge of correcting and scolding them. You're the house help. You're the cleaner. You're the laundry lady. You're the cook. You're the mommy I love you. You're the mommy I don't like you right now. Either way, if you're not wearing all of this, you're probably wearing at least one hat as a mom. And even though it comes with these many hats, these many work you have to do, I still love being a mom. In as much as being a wife, I love being a mom. I love being the one nurturing them into human beings or grown-ups, and I love being the one they run to when they need something. Trust me, I love it. Even though sometimes I act like I don't like it and I'm tired, I still do. Especially when my firstborn is the one that is coming to me for things he needs, and you guys know who my firstborn is. If you're new here, my firstborn is my husband, but we didn't say that. Even though he will watch this video, hi honey. In the week, I don't really do much as a mom because my kids spend most of their day at daycare, and my duty as a mom starts when they get home, which is around 6, and it ends when they tell me to close for the day or close for the night, which is usually sometimes I myself don't know, so I just go with their flow. As a mom, you know that when you don't have a schedule or a routine set, I won't say nothing. Things never go as planned. You have to always have a routine. You always have tips and tricks you use to get them done easily and quickly as you can without messing up anything and getting things done and keeping your life as a whole. Because if you're a busy one like me, you know for sure there are multiple tasks. If you don't follow a type of routine or a type of schedule, your laundry will be sitting in your house like mine is sitting at the moment as I'm talking to you. I have laundry that is not folded in my house. Can you believe it? Even with the tons of routine that I have, I still do. So sometimes it doesn't go as planned, but it's good to have it a routine set and use some of the tricks and tips I'm about to share with you to stay productive as a busy mom. And don't forget to share yours. I would like to know. I'm sharing mine. Feel free to share yours and I will learn from you guys as well. In my household, Friday is laundry day. Before I head out to work, I'll start hubby and I's laundry. So by the time I get home, kids would have been home with whatever they have from daycare that is dirty, and I'll add that to their laundry and do it. My goal on Friday is, before I go to bed, to have laundry done and folded into everybody's closet. Does it happen all the time? Sometimes. But does it happen at least by the time Saturday morning hits? Yes. My next tip is cleaning days. My husband is an early bird. He wakes up before anybody in the house, no matter the day, whether he's going to work or not. He wakes up before anybody, and he likes to tidy up when he wakes up. That's one thing about him that I like. When he wakes up and the house or the living room or the kitchen is messy, he takes care of cleaning that. So because of him, because he likes doing that often and deeply on Saturdays, I pick Saturday as my cleaning day. So even though we didn't really share this, but because he takes care of cleaning the living room, the kitchen, and the dining area, I take care of cleaning the rooms upstairs once I wake up. So when I wake up, I take care of cleaning our room, the kids' room, and tidying up the upper level and cleaning up the bathroom if needs be. I also have a to-do list. Having a to-do list has helped me a lot. I write down things I have to do before the following week or things that needs to be done before the week ends. So as far as sometimes the daycare will request things for the kids, I'll have to run to the store and get them. Or I myself have things I want to do in the house before the following week or before the week ends. I'll add that on that list. Or I'll have tasks that needs to be done, errands, grocery shopping, anything that the kids might need, I myself or husband stuff, or if we have any outing coming up, or if we have a party coming up, things of that sort. So it keeps me organized and I know what is next. There's a chronological order of things that I put on there, which takes me to my next tip. The tip that I use to stay productive as a busy mom is that when I have my to-do list, I start my task from the simpler one, or one that wouldn't take me a lot of time to complete it. So if I have to do, let's say I have to give my kids their bath, get their hair done, because I braid my son's hair and I do my daughter's hair. To do that, doing their hair usually takes me time, so I'll give them their bath before I do their hair. So I kind of do things that will push me to get things more done, because when I'm checking on my to-do list, oh, this is done, I'm excited myself, and it pushes me and keeps me doing things until I get to the large one. I give myself time to get to the larger one. If I ever get to the larger one and I run out of time and it's late, I could finish them the next morning and it will not mess up my schedule. Another tip I do is I try as much as I can to wake up early before my kids wake up. When I can, I do try as much as I can to be up before them. It helps me myself to prepare my day and keep me whole. Like, I have an idea of things I want to do, and sometimes it helps me if I have to finish up work stuff before they wake up, and then we have time together to hang out. This also has helped me stay productive as a busy mom. Meal prepping didn't really work for us. Hubby and I, sometimes food will be in the refrigerator and I'll be like, I don't have taste for that, I want to eat something else. What I got into the habit of doing now is having a calendar and writing down the ideas of dinner that we want to have. So for Friday, for example, I'll put in, oh, we're just gonna have salad and steak. So that helps me not waste money when I go grocery shopping, because between you and I, the amount of money I was with buying food we're not even getting to eating, and then we just throw it away in the end, was just unbelievable. So now I've been doing that. It has been so helpful. It helps us during the week a lot. I can't even start to describe how helpful that is during the week. It will probably be another video I have to make, but it's helpful. One last tip or trick that keeps me productive as a mom is prepping my kids' clothes for the week for daycare and doing same thing for myself. What does that mean? Once I have folded their laundry, I make sure I put away what they will wear on each day. I do the same thing for me, because it cuts off time when you wake up in the morning and you have to think of what you're going to wear. I usually go to work really early and I hate waking them up. My husband takes them to daycare, so to make it easy on him, I get their clothes ready, and it's easier for him that way. When they wake up, he knows what they're going to put up, and I know what they're going to be wearing too, and it makes me feel good. These are tips and tricks I use as a busy mom of two. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get to take something and add it to your own, and I hope you're able to share yours with me as well. I would like to know, I would like to learn. I wouldn't mind. I don't think I have the best, but since it's working for me, I'm using it for now until I find something you guys are using and I'm like, oh, I like that better. So please don't be shy, go ahead and share, and I'll probably be in the comment section responding to you guys and learning a lot from you guys. So if you stayed till the end of this video, I really appreciate your time and I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time. Bye.